Did you know that you can copy-paste multiple items on Windows without losing your work even after you restart your PC? This is how to go about it. Open Settings on your PC and select System Settings and scroll down to Clipboard. Turn on Clipboard History. This will enable you to view your clipboard history and paste from it by just pressing the Windows logo key and V. This is how to go about it. Let's say you were typing some work on Word and you need to make multiple pastes from different copies. Don't worry. Windows will now save all your copies to Clipboard, and you can view and paste from them by simply pressing Windows logo key together with V. Remember to pin the item you still want access even after you clear your clipboard or restart your PC. Thanks for watching.